Quinn Reece. I'm from Boulder, Colorado. I'm 19. I've been riding for Yeti for 3 years, and I've been racing since I was probably about 10. With CushCore, I can charge through stuff harder, take more concise lines that I wouldn't have been able to take before, just because I have that confidence. Before CushCore, man, that's a dark time. I think I was running 35 rear and 32 front before I got CushCore, so no traction anywhere, just sliding all the time. Yeah, that's kind of why I'm stuck with it, is just because it's so much more peace of mind, and like it just makes the bike a lot more consistent.